Hey everybody, it's John with Cleardata. In this video, we're going to talk about copying or cloning a calendar that you've already created in Cleardata. So what you're looking at right now is my scheduler screen within Cleardata, and we've got 4 calendars that I've created. I've got a Sparks Transport calendar, Sparks Redemption, Elko Transport, and a Vegas Redemption. What I want to do right now is I want to copy the Vegas Redemption calendar and make it my transport calendar. To do that's really simple. We come down here to the bottom and I'm going to click this copy button. So what we're going to do is we're going to clone this calendar. We need to enter a name for a new calendar and then we can quickly go in and edit it. Now remember, I already have a redemption calendar for Vegas, so now I want to put in my transportation calendar for my Vegas lot. Okay, after I put that stuff in, you can see now I've cloned my Vegas calendar, but we're not completed yet. There's other steps that we need to do, and this is very important that we do this. Now I'm looking at my Vegas transport calendar. I need to come down here and click Edit. This brings me to my edit screen, which you're already familiar with. What we need to do, the calendar name looks good, lot looks good. Here's the catch. We absolutely need to change the appointment type. Right now it's set to redemption and property. We need to change this to transport and delivery. Okay, I've changed this to transport and delivery for my Vegas transport lot. Everything else looks really good. We're open at 9. We close at noon every single day for lunch. And then on Fridays, we open at 9 and we close at 11. Now remember, these start and end times aren't for when your office is open and your people are working. This is for when people can go online and schedule a transport or a redemption or delivery. I think I like everything here. It looks really great. So I'm going to hit the Save Changes. And we come back here. Now my Vegas transport calendar, totally done, ready to be used.